Hey there, it's Mike Field with Field Realty, and I'm about to bring to you the Capital Region Real Estate Market Update for March 2021. It's our job as local real estate professionals to analyze the data and bring it to you so that our buyers and sellers can make great decisions in today's market. And what we're going to cover here is of the 4 major counties. There's Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Schenectady counties. And we're going to take a look at the following: the number of new listings signed, the number of contracts, the number of closings, the absorption rates, the average sale prices, and we're going to wrap it up with what we're witnessing inside the market. Let's compare the number of new listings compared to a year ago. All the talk in the market today is around the lack of inventory. It seems like there just isn't enough. And interestingly enough, as we're doing this video, we've had 3 consecutive days of 100 plus new homes to hit the market each day. Last month, we saw 705 new homes to hit the market, whereas a year ago, that number was 652. Regarding the number of contracts signed, in February of 2020, we were on track for a monster spring. So when we look at the numbers, it's really no surprise to me that we were down 15% year over year. Last month, we had 619 contracts signed, whereas a year ago, that number was 725. With the urgency for inventory, I expect us to close the gap on these numbers with the next 2 months. Let's talk about the number of closed sales. We were actually also up 15% in the number of total closed homes when we compare February of 2020 to February of 2021. Next, we're going to get into the average days on market, and this number represents the amount of time a property sits on the market prior to the sellers accepting an offer. And the average days on market is 39. Last year at this time, it was 69. This is one of the largest gaps I've seen year over year. And of the 4 major counties, Schenectady had the lowest figure at 30 days on market. And for 6 out of the last 7 months, homes in Schenectady County have sold the fastest of these 4 major counties. Whenever we're talking about clients, the absorption rates continues to dominate the conversation. Right now, the overall current market absorption rate is 2.9. This number has been slightly increasing over the last 2 months. For the markets we tracked from 0 to 500,000, 73% of these markets favor sellers. When we run the analysis, 0 to 3 is a seller's market, 3 to 4 is a neutral market, and 4 and above is a buyer's market. Let's take a look at the entry, middle market, and high-end price points. Entry level, which is considered 0 to 300,000, is 0.9. This is down from 1.4 last month. The middle market, which is 300,000 to 500,000, is at 2.4, and that's down from 2.7 last month. The high-end or luxury market, which is 500,000 and above, is up to 5.6. Last month, you might recall, this number was at 4.6, major jump in that price point. These next figures, I think, are really going to surprise a lot of people. The average sale prices. Everybody wants to know what their home's worth, and in the 4 markets, every market saw a significant jump in the average sale price. Albany was up 7.5%. Rensselaer was up 16%. Saratoga was up 19%, and Schenectady County was up 12%. Some final thoughts. New inventory is coming. We're meeting with a lot of sellers right now in preparation of getting their homes on the market. New homes on the market means contracts to follow, which helps and supports many different businesses and the overall economy. Now more than ever, experience matters in this market, and if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate in the Capital Region, give us a call today at 518-669-1804 so one of the field team members can assist you with making a great decision in today's market, and that's what we call the home field advantage.